Hello, I am Professor Muhammad Naeem Ishaq, and after watching this video, one will be able to explain the following: the three meanings or definitions of statistics and its branches, functions of statistics as a discipline of science, characteristics of statistics being collected facts and figures, limitations of statistics, and importance of statistics for different fields of life. Let us start with the meanings of statistics. The word statistics is being used in both singular and plural senses. In singular sense, statistics is a discipline which deals with collection, condensation, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of statistical data for the purpose of decision making under uncertainty. Being plural, statistics is defined in two ways. In the first place, statistics can be defined as an aggregate of facts and figures collected in a systematic manner for a predefined purpose. The word data is also used in the same meanings. In the second place, statistics can be meant as plural of statistic, which means a numerical characteristic such as mean, median, etc. computed from sample. The two branches of statistics are descriptive and inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics includes organized data collection, data summarization by tables, charts, and graphs, and also the summary value calculation like average, spread, etc. using the data contained by sample. That is, descriptive statistics deals with collection, condensation, presentation, and analysis of statistical data, and inferential statistics deals with drawing conclusions about population characteristics based upon characteristics of the sample. Now, for what purpose the science of statistics is used, that is, functions of statistics or fields of statistics. Statistics displays facts in a definite form. Statistics simplifies comparison of data. Statistics tests the laws of other sciences. Statistics helps in forecasting. Statistics leads in forming policies. Statistics leads in survey and research. As a collection of facts and figures, that is, as data, statistics have following characteristics. Statistics are aggregate of facts. Statistics are numerically expressed. Statistics are collected in a systematic manner. Statistics are collected for a predetermined purpose. Statistics are numerated or estimated in line with standards of accuracy. Although statistics is a very useful discipline of mathematical science, but it also has some limitations, such as statistics deals with quantitative data only. Statistics deals with aggregate of facts, not the individual items. Statistical laws are true in the long run only. Being probability based, statistical results as compared with other sciences are not exact. Statistical results may be misleading in absence of proper details. Due to its universal applicability, statistics and its tools are used in almost every field of life. Let us discuss some of the fields in which statistics plays pivotal role. In business, statistics is used as a guide to make maximum profit and assists in prediction of future business trend. The use of statistics in biology is called biometry. Statistics assists in measurement and controls of living organisms. Although econometrics is a distinct subject, but by and large, it can be said the use of statistics in economics is econometrics. It helps in formulating and testing economic laws and also in estimating of parameters appeared in the model for forecasting. Astrology is one of the oldest branches of statistical study. It makes use of statistics in measurement of heavenly bodies and making predictions about eclipses. In meteorology, statistics helps in analyzing factors affecting weather changes across the globe and forecasting future weather conditions. In sociology, statistics helps in collection, presentation and analysis of data on various aspects of society through social surveys. Psychometry is the use of statistics in psychology. It deals with developing IQ tests for the measurement of intelligence and aptitude. Statistics is the eye of administration and has a great importance for commerce, agriculture and planning as well. That's it for now. If you find this video informative, like the video, share it with others and subscribe my channel Statistics Made Easy One for latest uploads. Have great time ahead. Thank you.